Hi, my name is Larry Fiskanich, Product Manager for Ridgid.
I'm going to demonstrate the new 460-12 portable TRISTAND chain vise. Capacity up to 12 inches. With the pipe in place, we can use the chain to clamp it onto the stand. The jaw makes it handle the 12-inch piece of pipe. Now that we have it locked in place, we can use the adjustable rear leg to level the pipe. Now with the pipe in place and the pipe level, you can clamp your weld ground to the convenient tab underneath, providing you a good connection. When you're finished using the stand, the legs fold up and the durable leg chain secures the legs for all the harsh abuse encountered during transport. For more information, please visit ridgid.com/460. Thank you.